Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing exactly how I sewed this boxy linen top. So I drafted my own sewing pattern for this, and you can screenshot this diagram that I made so you can try and replicate this yourself at home. This is a size small that I made, so obviously use your own measurements and try and recreate this for yourself. Let's get into sewing the top. For this top, you're going to need a front and a back. You're also going to need a long strip of bias binding and also 2 sleeve cuff pieces, and I made sure mine was cut on the fold. So the first thing to do is place the 2 top pieces together with right sides facing and align the shoulders and pin along. Sew along both shoulders using a 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter seam allowance. This is what the shoulders look like now that they're sewn and overlocked. We're going to want to open the top out and make sure the right sides are facing up. Along the armhole, we're going to take out the sleeve cuff piece and open it out and then fold it in half with the wrong sides facing each other. Then we're going to align this with the armhole and pin along the edge. Sew both armholes using a 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter seam allowance. This is what the sleeve cuff looks like now that it's sewn and overlocked, and pushed to the right side. It looks really nice and clean. On the end, there's just a little excess, so I'm just going to cut that level. Now we're going to place the top right sides together and pin along the sleeve and the side seam. Sew both side seams using a 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter seam allowance. This is what the top looks like if we turn it to the right side. Now we're going to take the bias binding and open it out and pin it along the entire neckline with the right sides facing. So the binding was a little long, so I've just trimmed it to make sure it fits the neckline, and I've sewn this edge closed to make a complete circle. Now we just need to sew this along the fold of the bias binding. This is what the neckline looks like. We're going to fold this over now and pin along the entire neckline. This will neatly finish the edge of the neckline. So this is what the top looks like now that I've pressed it nice and flat. We just need to sew the hem of the top now by folding the bottom in towards the wrong side twice by 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter and pin along the entire edge and sew really close to the edge. And this is what the final top looks like. The hem looks super neat. Let's see what this looks like on. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I sew this boxy linen top. If you want to see more content from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps with the algorithm. I'll see you in the next one.